Hey guys, it's Matt. Welcome back to my kitchen. My friend from India is challenging me to use an ingredient I've never tried before, so rather than explain it myself, I'll let her take over.
Hey Matt, this is Shreya from BuzzFeed India, and today I have a challenge for you. This packet beholds a flavor that is loved and cherished by our entire nation. These are masala flavored instant noodles called Maggi that you can whip up in less than 2 minutes, but usually it takes much longer. Here in India, everyone has a unique way of making Maggi. Some like it dry, some like it soupy, some like it with cheese. You can add any favorite topping of yours to Maggi and I promise you it will taste just delicious. So for this challenge, I want to see if you can add your own chef's twist to Maggi and make it into a recipe that will blow my mind. Show me what you can do and I will remake it here in India and we can then figure out if you nailed it or failed it. So good luck to you, Matt, and I cannot wait to see what you make out of Maggi.
All right, Shreya, I accept your challenge. I don't know where to find Maggi. Maybe. I might have an idea. So right now I am actually heading to an Indian grocery store that's kind of near my house. I don't know if they carry the noodles, but I think they do. They've got a pretty good selection of stuff. Alrighty, that was way easier than I thought it was going to be. I got one gigantic packet of Maggi, 2 smaller ones for good measure. You don't know, maybe I'll like it. I also got assorted snacks because I have 0 impulse control. Let's make some Maggi noodles, shall we? Break the noodle cake into 4 parts. Oh, that was easy. Was it supposed to break all apart? Oh, that's way better. Okay, let's try it one more time. Add the noodle cake and contents of the spice mix packet to a pan. Oh no! Cook for 2 minutes in an open pan, stirring occasionally. Do not drain remaining water. Here we go. It smells good. I'm getting very like ramen, instant ramen vibes. This definitely falls into the soupier category, so I'm gonna try making it dry just to see what it's about. I'm not quite sure if there's a particular way to make it dry, so I just boiled the noodles, drained the water off, and then sprinkled the seasoning over the top. The seasoning The seasoning is definitely a lot more pronounced here, but I think I prefer the soupy one more. Shreya also mentioned that you can make it with cheese, so I think I'm gonna try it that way just to kind of see what's up. I'm gonna be honest, I will try everything once, but I am very skeptical of this. Honestly, not bad. It's something to consider. It reminds me of a very well-seasoned noodly mac and cheese. With those 3 methods in mind, I'm gonna go to the grocery store and let's try and make something with it. So I think I'm going to attempt to make a fried chicken sandwich using Maggi noodles and the seasoning. In my mind, this is gonna be something similar to like a chicken katsu, so it's breaded on the outside, nice and thin, fits on a slice of bread. I'm going to use my noodles as the breading on the outside of the chicken. Gonna grind these babies up in the hole. Whoa. Nice. It's not too fine. It feels almost similar to panko breadcrumbs. I do want to elevate this just a little bit, so I'm gonna add a little bit of my seasoning. Save a little bit for later. Give this all a good stir. And I think as far as breading goes, that's where I'm gonna leave it for now. So in one station, I have my flour, and then in number 2, give it a nice beat. And that should be good. And then I'm generously seasoning with a little salt. And the rest of this is pretty self-explanatory. Pop her in the flour, get it nice and coated. Beauteous. Got my egg mixture, drop it in, get it nice and coated. Finally, nice. Nice little shake, get off all our excess. Wow. I'm just gonna let this camp in the fridge for like half an hour to make sure everything kind of meshes together, and we'll be back at it. Whenever I'm having a super meaty sandwich, whether it's barbecue or fried chicken, I like adding slaw on top, so I'm gonna stick with that theme today as well. I have thinly shredded cabbage here, to which I'm going to add some thinly sliced red onion, a little bit of grated ginger, some fresh squeezed lime juice, a little bit of olive oil, and finally, some cilantro. Give that all a good stir. Wow, that's so good. And I'm pretty happy with how the slaws turned out, so I'm gonna set it aside and move along. I wanna add a bit of creaminess and spice to balance everything else I've got going on in my sandwich. And to do that, I wanna use mayo, just elevate it a little bit. To my mayo, I'm going to add the rest of my masala seasoning, and then to kick things up a bit, a little bit of cayenne pepper. Get all of that beautifully incorporated. Oh my God, I could put this on everything. I'm done with all my toppings, so let's fry some chicken. I've got a pan here, heated over medium heat. I'm going to add my oil. I'm gonna let this go for 3 to 4 minutes and then check and see if it's brown on the other side. And yeah, this is looking great so far. I'm just gonna let this go for another 3 to 4 minutes. I like my bread toasted. I'm going to take my mayo, generously top it with my slaw. And finally, my piece of chicken, which is so big, I don't know how to orient it. Boom. Oh my God. I mean, this looks really good. Let's get a nice little cross section, though. Wow. Oh my goodness. Okay, that looks great. I don't want to get too excited or too overly confident, but this is awesome. Everything works well together. It's crunchy, it's juicy, it's acidic, it's creamy. I would absolutely make this again. This is fantastic in my opinion. I'm going to send this recipe to Shreya. She's going to recreate it and we'll see how that goes.
So I have Matt's recipe right here. I am so excited to eat this. My first thought when I saw the recipe was, why has he made a 2-minute recipe into a 20-minute recipe?
Oh no.
But I guess I'm about to find out how it tastes. It just looks so good. I don't even think I have to say this. You didn't fail it. You nailed it. Congratulations. I love this recipe. The flavors are so much right now. My mouth is loving it. My mouth's having a party. The crunch of the veggies and that lime in there and the masala and the tenderness of the chicken and the toasted bread. Oh my God. You guys should 100% try this recipe and let us know in the comments below if Matt nailed it or failed it. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to BuzzFeed India, where we post a lot of videos like this. Oh, and Matt, the spice in the Maggi really hits you the next day. So good luck for that, and I'm out of here. Bye.
I did it. Did it.